In this video, we review Skrill versus PayPal. Have you used Skrill or PayPal before? What was your experience? Leave your Skrill or PayPal review in the comments section below. Skrill and PayPal are two of the most widely used digital payment platforms, offering distinct features that cater to different user needs. Both have global reach and support multiple currencies, but they differ significantly in terms of fees, services, and user experience. Skrill is particularly favored for international money transfers due to its low foreign exchange fees and competitive transaction costs. It supports over 40 currencies and enables users to send funds globally at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional banking systems. Skrill also integrates well with online gambling and Forex trading platforms, which makes it a preferred choice for users in these industries. However, Skrill's drawbacks include higher fees for currency conversion, account inactivity, and limited acceptance in everyday e-commerce compared to PayPal. PayPal, on the other hand, is a household name with unmatched integration into online marketplaces like eBay and major e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and BigCommerce. It allows users to send and receive payments in over 200 countries and 25 currencies. PayPal excels in providing robust buyer and seller protections, which instill confidence in online transactions. Its user-friendly interface and widespread acceptance make it ideal for casual users and small businesses. However, PayPal's transaction fees can be steep, especially for international payments and currency conversions. Additionally, its account freezing policies have been criticized by users who rely on it for large transactions or business operations. One key advantage of Skrill is its prepaid MasterCard, which allows users to access their funds directly for purchases or ATM withdrawals. PayPal offers a similar feature through its debit card services, but its availability is region-specific. Another edge for Skrill is its VIP program, which rewards frequent users with lower fees and higher transaction limits. PayPal, however, provides a broader suite of financial tools, including credit options for personal and business users. Skrill is more cost-effective for international payments, especially for users who deal with Forex trading or online betting. Its focus on niche markets means it lacks PayPal's universal appeal and widespread acceptance in everyday transactions. PayPal's extensive ecosystem and seamless integration with online stores make it a better choice for general consumers and businesses seeking a reliable and trusted payment processor. In terms of negatives, Skrill's inactivity fee is a significant drawback for infrequent users, while PayPal's unpredictable account limitations can disrupt business operations. PayPal's higher fees for international payments also make it less appealing for frequent cross-border transactions. Ultimately, the choice between Skrill and PayPal depends on the user's specific needs. Skrill is ideal for international money transfers and niche industries like Forex and gaming. PayPal is better suited for mainstream e-commerce, casual transactions, and businesses requiring robust protections and integrations. Both platforms excel in their respective areas, but have limitations that users must weigh based on their financial habits and objectives.